Hello everyone and welcome to this graphic design course with Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. I'm Adeni Yoshibamo and I'll be your instructor. I've been designing for up to 11 years now and I've worked with clients and organizations across Nigeria and international. I've been able to create brands, create flyers, create brochures, fact sheets, magazines, wedding IDs, and name it, logos for brands and organizations out there. And one thing I want you to know about graphic design is a state of the mind. It will teach you about the tools that you can use to achieve your designs. It will teach you on how to use the tools of Photoshop and how to use the tools of Illustrator. But the creativity you will have to spawn out of it. Only 20% of what you are going to teach you what you are going to teach you and how to use the tools, but the 80% will come directly from you. Now, what are the things you are going to learn in this course? As a designer, you need to learn the principles of design. But first, what is design in its essence? We talk about the definition of design, we talk about the definition of graphic. Then we move on to the principles of design. What are the rules you need to obey before you start designing your ideas? We'll talk about the theory of colors, how color affects our view of every design out there. We'll talk about typography, we'll talk about the font size, the kind of font you need to use for a particular set of design. Then we'll talk about shapes, we'll talk about sizes and dimensions. What are the sizes for a flyer, what are the sizes for a banner, what are the sizes for a newspaper or wedding ID. Then we'll talk about the tools of our design, of our software. We'll talk about the tools of Photoshop, we'll talk about the tools of Illustrator. Then we move on to talking about the shapes, how to manipulate shapes, and we'll of course go ahead and talk about logo design. We talk about the tools of Photoshop and Illustrator. We use the pen tool, we talk about gradients, we talk about text effects, and to buttress your knowledge, we talk about Illustrator interface, we talk about the panels, we talk about the workspaces, we talk about Illustrator artboards, we talk about vector basics, we talk about the fill and stroke effects in Illustrator. Then we begin to do designs. We're going to create logo, we're going to create flyer together, we're going to create a wedding invitation, we're going to create a lot of designs together. This and many more are what you're going to gain in this course. So I want to say a big congratulations to you. You are on your path to achieving that creativity, that idea, that concept, that skill you want to learn as a graphic designer. The only thing you need to do now is to click the buy now button, make your payment, and I will see you in class.